Today on EP5 we'll be making plantain pie. It is a gluten-free alternative to regular pie. In this video, I'll be using 3 very ripe plantains. Also, I'll be using minced turkey. You can use any protein of your choice. And also, this is our butter. We'll also be using our diced onions. This is our shredded cabbage. And this is our peas. This is also our shredded carrot. This is our potatoes. And this is potatoes flour. You can use any gluten flour of your choice. And this is our multi-purpose pepper mix. We also need salt for taste, and we will be using baking powder. So now we are going to be boiling our plantain. Cut it into the pot and take it to a boil. And also we'll boil our potatoes. I'm using Irish potato in this video. So after some minutes, we'll check our plantain if it's cooked. You can use fork to check inside to see that it's softening inside. And also we'll check our potatoes to see if it's okay. And we'll shred it. We cut it into pieces. And now we'll be making our fillings. That's oil in the pan. I added our onions, our minced turkey, salt to taste. That is paprika powder, our carrot, cabbage, the green peas, our potatoes. Then I'm adding our multi-purpose pepper mix. The video of how I make it is on my YouTube channel. You can check it. So this is what we have. Now we're making our crust, our plantain crust. We're adding the plantain inside our food processor. Then we'll bring it to a blend. We'll blend it together. So after blending it, this is what we have. So we'll be transferring the blended plantain into a bowl. Then we'll be adding our salt to taste and our potato powder. In this video, I'm using a teaspoon of baking powder. Then my hands are washed. We'll be mixing the batter together. Add some butter for that creamy texture. You can also add a little bit of oil if that's what you have. Then we'll mix it together, and this is what we have. Then we'll be using a baking paper to roll our pie. So we'll roll our pie out now. Rolling our pie to the size you want and the shape you want. This is what we have. Then we add in our fillings. Then we'll turn it over to the side. You know, this is not a regular or multi-purpose flour pie, so there's no gluten in it, so it has to be done carefully to give us that shape that we want. Then we use like a bowl or a cup, whatever you have, to shape out the pie. Shape it out. So this is what we have now. Look at that beauty, looking so nice. Yeah, this is what we have now. So we continue like that to make all the batter. So this is what we have. We'll shape it out with a fork just to give us that pie look. Then we'll be brushing it with the egg. We'll wash it down to give it that brownie look. Then we're baking it in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. And this is what we have. Hope you enjoyed my video. Thank you for watching my video. Kindly like and subscribe for more.